Say hello to UniFra, the successor to UniFra, the award-winning portable pizza oven that has launched millions of pizzas worldwide. Building on our years of innovation and experience, UniFra is designed for ease of use and ultimate portability. UniFra streamlines wood-fired cooking, fired by wood pellets for a no-nonsense experience in pizzas with epic flavor. With UniFra, you can create truly great wood-fired pizza fast in any outdoor space. UniFra has a specially designed fuel tray and grate to ensure incredible fuel efficiency and optimal airflow. Like all Uni pizza ovens, UniFra reaches up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius. That's the blazing heat needed for cooking authentic Neapolitan-style pizza in just 60 seconds. The simple wood pellet hopper gravity feeds hardwood pellets right into the fire, so you get a longer-lasting burn with minimal maintenance. Just top up the fuel tray with pellets, light, and you're all set. You can be truly spontaneous with UniFra. It's ready to start cooking awesome pizza within 15 minutes. The built-in flame keeper maintains a robust fire and directs flames toward dishes as they cook, while the corduroy stone baking board locks in heat for perfectly cooked, crispy pizza bases. The oven body is insulated with ceramic fiber and finished with a powder coating, meaning superior heat retention and weather resistance. Pack and move UniFra with ease. This portable pizza oven weighs just 23 pounds or 10 kilos. And the chimney, pellet burner, flame keeper, and hopper are all detachable. Store them inside the oven and get going.
Bake the best pizza you've ever made with the Mimiuo Pizzeria and classic gas ovens. Safe, portable, and easy to use. Whether you're chilling in the backyard or out in the woods, it's time for pizza. With Mimiuo's portable and sleek design, just fold the legs out, connect to a propane tank, and you're good to go. The ovens are made of premium food-grade stainless steel, meant to last decades. The double-wall ceiling promises heat retention, and your pizza will cook at just the right temperature, while the ceramic stone plate creates a delicious crust. Each oven has its own built-in gas ignition that lights the flame with a push and a turn, and the oven temperature can be easily adjusted using the heat control dial. The Mimiuo Classic Gas Oven reaches 930 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius in just 20 minutes, ready for its pie. The best part? Your pizza cooks in only 60 seconds. The Pizzeria series features an innovative electric-powered auto-rotate stone plate. Simply turn on the switch, and you will get every pizza pops out cooked evenly without any hassle. Now everyone can enjoy the delicious pizza, crispy outside and fluffy inside. No matter you are cooking for your family or your friends, be the showstopper with the Mimiuo Pizza Ovens.